Namaste. Myself, JVN Dr. Priya K. Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, JOD Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to deal with on the topic ultrasound therapy. Therapeutic ultrasound has been in use for many years. Yearly applications were those for which tissue heating was the goal, and so it was used for soft tissue injuries such as maybe incurred during sport. More recently, attention has been drawn both to high intensity focused beams that may be used for thermal ablations of selected region and also to low intensify fields that appear to be able to stimulate physiological processes such as tissue repair without biologically significant temperature rises. Definition: ultrasound therapy is medical treatment by means of mechanical vibration with a frequency above 20 kilohertz. Ultrasound therapeutic system consists of two main parts. Generator of high frequency is one, and second one is the application probe. The US, that is ultrasound source itself, which consists of piezoelectric transducer. In practice, the frequencies used for treatment range between 0.7 and 3 MHz. However, some equipment exists for diagnosis and therapy which uses frequencies between 5 kHz and 10 MHz. Dosage is determined based on the site of treatment area, depth of the lesion from the surface, and nature of the lesion. Benefits: promotion of blood circulation, muscle relaxation, increased membrane permeability, increased regenerative power of tissues, effect on peripheral nerves, reduction of pain, and other effects also. This is the ultrasonography machine. Indication: soft tissue injuries, scar tissue, chronic indurate edema, bone injuries, varicose ulcer, and plantar warts. Contraindications: thrombophlebitis, tumors, acute sepsis, cardiac diseases, metallic implants, pregnancy, hemorrhage, anesthetic areas. Duration of the treatment is based on the size or area. Determine the treatment time. Treatment time, that is 1 to 2 minutes for every square centimeter. Thank you. Assignment: explain ultrasound therapy with indication and contraindication. Next is Taila indicated in Kambavada is Mashadi Taila, Varanadi Taila, Prasarini Taila, and all of these is asked for Uttarakhand entrance examination 2006. I hope you have understood the class taken on the topic of ultrasound therapy. And if you are having any queries, please do mention on the comment box below. I will resolve it. Thank you.